Hi, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Aloo Gobi Patti Samosa. It not only has a crunchy covering and a delicious filling, but is less oily than the regular samosa. Let's first make the covering, then the filling, and finally the samosa. Have you subscribed to my channel already? For the patti or the strips, we need maida or all-purpose flour, add in salt, make a well in the center, pour in the vegetable oil, mix it well, add very little water at a time to make a medium soft dough. Knead it. So this is how it should look. Smooth but not very soft. Just cover this and let it rest. Once the dough has been rested, just knead it lightly. Divide it into 8 equal parts. Just try and get them roughly the same size with a smooth top. That's done. Time to roll them out. Just roll them out to the size of a large puri and keep aside. Use a little flour to roll it out. Get on with the rest. Once they are all done, time to stack them up. So we'll be stacking 4 at a time. Brush with oil. Sprinkle some all-purpose flour. Place the second one over it. Repeat with the oil and the flour. Third one, oil, flour. The fourth one goes on top. Just stretch it a bit to align it with the ones below. So that's one done. The next one, the final one goes on top. And our second stack is ready as well. Time to roll it out. Use a little flour. Press it down slightly. Keep flipping it over. That looks to be a good size, about 10 inches in diameter. This is a hot tawa. Just place your stack of chapatis and cook it briefly on both sides. Keep the heat on medium. It's good to turn over. Just give it a few more seconds. You can see that it's already peeling off from here. That's done. Just take it off the heat. Just shake it up slightly to loosen the layers, and they should come off easily. Careful, it's still hot. Just let it cool down slightly. So to cut this into strips, just fold it into half, trim the edges. This way, you'll be able to get rectangular strips to make the samosas. As for the trimmings, just keep them aside. Get on with the rest. Try and get them roughly the same size. Once the strips are all ready, just stack them up and wrap them in cling film or plastic wrap and store in the fridge till it's time to use them. All-purpose flour or maida, add a little water to make a paste. We'll use this paste to seal our samosas. That's ready. The gobi or cauliflower, just chop it up from the underside always into small florets. Tiny florets. Just add some boiling water to them. After 5 minutes, drain and keep aside to cool down slightly. Cumin seeds and Asafoetida or Hing to temper the oil. Green chilies and grated ginger. Coriander powder and garam masala powder. Boiled or frozen green peas. Finely chopped onion. Finely chopped coriander, leaves and stalk. Boiled and crushed potatoes. A lemon. To the hot oil, add the cumin seeds and the hing or Asafoetida. Add in the onions. Cook till they are slightly colored. The onions have got a slight color on them. Add in the ginger. Cook on low heat. Add in the cauliflower florets. Season with salt. And cook for a minute. Add in a bit of water. Just cover it and cook till the cauliflowers are done. They look done. Add in the green peas, the green chilies, the coriander powder and garam masala powder. Mix it up. Add in the potato. Add in the chopped coriander. Squeeze of lemon. Mix it up thoroughly and cook it for a minute further. That looks done. So just turn off the heat. Time to make the samosas. I have the filling that has cooled down. So I have a strip here and I also have the flour paste. So just pick up this corner. Now the narrow end is lined perfectly here and we get a triangle. We'll use the glue that we made and stick this edge here. Press lightly. Let's add in the filling inside the pocket. Use a bit more of the glue. The second fold, the third fold, and finally that's ready. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Once they are all done, just store them in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes before you fry them. Fry the samosas in hot oil. Drain on absorbent paper and fry the rest. Serve it hot with a chutney on the side and enjoy.